Good morning, children. This is Neeraj Sharma, your general knowledge teacher. Today in this class, we are going to study about threats to wildlife. That means the threats that are to the wild animals, which is your page 33 in your general knowledge book for grade 7. We'll move on to the first one. This flightless bird once lived on the island of Mauritius. In the 1500s, European sailors began to hunt a bird, and by 1681 it became extinct. So first thing is, it is flightless, that means it cannot fly. Okay, and it lived where? It lived on the island of Mauritius. In the year 1500s, from the year 1500s, European sailors began to hunt it, and by 1681 it became extinct. That means after 1681 it has not been seen in world again. Fine. So look at its picture. It is dodo. Coming to the next one, this animal found in China depends mainly on bamboo shoots for food. Due to the clearing of bamboo forest, less than 2000 mature animals of this category are estimated to remain in the wild. So this you must have seen in zoos and other places also. This is giant panda. Okay, this is panda. They basically depend on the bamboos. They eat bamboo shoots as their food, and because of the clearing of bamboo forest, only few of them are remaining now in this world. Fine. Next one we have, once found throughout India, it has now become critically endangered due to the habitat loss and hunting. They are hunted for body parts that are used in traditional Chinese medicines. It is also the national animal of both India and Bangladesh. Just look at its picture. You all know this, as it is our national animal also. It is national animal of Bangladesh also. This is Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, tiger is also endangered species because due to the loss of habitat and hunting, people hunt them because their body parts are used in preparing traditional Chinese medicines. Along with that, they are losing their habitat because of the clearing of forest, because of which it has become endangered. Found in New Zealand, it is the only world's flightless as well as heaviest parrot. So this is found in New Zealand. First thing is, this is flightless, that means it cannot fly. Second thing is, it is heaviest parrot, that means it weighs lot. This is a parrot which is heavy. By 1950s, the species had become a victim of competitors and predators such as rats, weasels, cats, and only 100 remain. So these are also endangered because cats and rats, like predators, eat it. Fine, they consume it, and so this is kakapo. Just look at its picture. This is kakapo. Next we have, this migratory bird is extinct due to excessive hunting by man. They were found in North America in the early 1800s and were slaughtered by the millions every year. The last known but died in 1914 at the Cincinnati Zoo in Ohio. So this is passenger pigeon. This is passenger pigeon, and this is migratory bird. That means it migrates from one place to another according to its suitable atmosphere. Okay, the atmosphere where it can survive, it keeps on moving like that. It has become extinct because of excessive hunting by man. Okay, earlier they were found in North America and were slaughtered every year. That means were killed every year. Okay, and the last one has known to be seen in 1914 at the Cincinnati Zoo in Ohio. After it, this passenger pigeon has never been seen again. Next we come to, this big cat survives only in the Gir Forest Reserve. Excessive hunting and decline in natural prey has reduced the number to 500. This is Asiatic lion. As you all know, lion belongs to the cat family. So this is a big cat which survives only in the Gir Forest Reserve. Okay, and this because of the excessive hunting and decline in natural prey, that means their natural habitat, their natural food is declining day by day, because of which they have reduced in numbers and only around 500 exist till date now. This is Asiatic lion. Then we have one of the largest carnivorous marsupials of recent times. It was presumed extinct soon after the last captive individual died in 1936. A slender fox-faced animal that hunted at night. Its fur was yellowish brown with the skull that was remarkably similar to that of a dog. You can see it is a fox-faced, and we can say its skull is somewhat similar to that of a dog, and it has yellowish brown color. Okay, also it is believed that it is presumed to be getting extinct soon. Fine. This is Tasmanian tiger. Just look at its picture. This is Tasmanian tiger. Last one we have, also called deerfowls. This flightless seabird has been extinct since 1844. That means after 1844, this Greek auk has been extinct. That means it's not seen in this world. They were found on rocky islands of the North Atlantic coast. Earlier they were found on the rocky islands of North Atlantic coast, on the coast of North Atlantic Ocean. The last known specimens were killed in June 1844 in Iceland. The last known specimens were killed in 1984. That was the last year when they were seen, and about 80 of them are preserved in the zoo till now. Fine. This is Greek auk. These are preserved in museums and zoos. These are Greek auk. 80 of them are preserved in the museums. Thank you, students. Just go through the pictures clearly. You need to remember the names with the pictures. Remember the names with the pictures so that you can recognize if any question is asked, if any image is shown to you all. Thank you.